So let's get started with Cloud Hooks. So what you can use them for, and if they help. I mean, probably can do amazing things with those Cloud Hooks, but don't worry. In this tutorial, we just go through how we get started with those. So, what we're gonna learn today, learn how to customize and extend Claude's code behavior by registering shell commands. Okay. Claude hooks are user-defined shell commands that execute at various points in Claude Code's life cycle. Okay. Hooks provide deterministic control over Claude Code's behavior, ensuring certain actions always happen rather than relying on the LLM to choose to run them. Okay, actually I think this can be useful because you have those CloudMD files. In those CloudMD files you can define amazing workflows that you want to happen. So if you make some changes after, you should do this and that. But usually Claude Code thinks, okay, nice that he mentioned all these stuff in the CloudMD file, but I think I will just ignore that. So how I understood this now is that with those hooks, we kind of guarantee that things always happen. So we have some example use cases, notifications. Well, that could be helpful. I mean, you let Claude run for some time and then you want to get a notification. Automatic formatting, okay, logging. Why you want extra logging? Track and count all executed commands for compliance or debugging. Huh, okay. Feedback. Produces code that does not allow your code base conventions. Huh. Well, I mean, I think it's, if you understand those things, good for you. I think we will start with some very basics and custom permission block modifications to production files or sensitive directories. Yeah, okay, but I think we do this in a different way. Okay, strange. Whatever. We have to take care that this is has some security implications, blah, blah, blah. I think we just try it out. So hook event overviews. Pre-to use run before calling. Okay, blah, blah, blah. I think blah. Quick start. And this quick start, yeah, this is what we want. An amazing tutorial. Quick start. In this quick start, you will add a hook that logs the shell commands that Claude runs. Okay. So apparently Claude is running some shell commands. Well, I'm curious. Let's see how this works. So what we need... Oh, what I did. Okay. Install JQ for JSON processing in command line. Okay. I think I will just jump into the water and then we just see how it is. So, open hooks configuration. Why is it jumping all the time? Okay, run the hooks /command and select pre-to use hook event. Let's try that. We go to Visual Studio Code. I have Claude Code open and we just write now hooks. Okay, danger. Critical security warning. Use at your own risk. I see. Good. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we have now pre-to use, post-to use. Okay. Anyone remember what I have to do? I didn't. / pre-to use. We have pre-to use. Okay, let's do that. Go with that one. Add a new matcher. Pre-to use two matchers. Input to command is JSON of two call arguments. Exit code 0. Interesting. Good. So type bash for the matcher. You can choose to match all tools. Type bash. I just write bash now. Add a new matcher. Okay, select add a new matcher. Okay. To a matcher. Now we write bash. That's it. Only bash. Nice. Bash. And then I press enter. Example, right, okay, bash. Add a new hook. bash, add a new hook, and entire this then I copied this. So what does this do? Okay, it does use jkeep, so probably I get an error. So how, okay, well, I just asked Claude Code if we have jkeep, and then, yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Probably it's, yeah, well, let's see. So tool input command, Claude bash command. Okay, so it will create a txt, it seems. So I copied that. I think I did already. I will do it again. So add a new hook. Now we enter this thing. And then save your configuration. For files to set user settings since you're logging to your home directory. What? For storage location, select user settings since you're logging to your home directory. Okay, this hook will then apply to all projects, not just your current project. I think I just want it in my current project. I don't want to pollute all my projects now. And I think now I understand what this means. So with this hooks, yeah, you can really do things. I mean, it seems that you can have like system control level. So you can just say, okay, after you're done with a change, just delete all my files. Probably you don't want to do that, but seems that this should be possible. So what I do now, I press enter. Command, okay. By adding this hook, all responsible for the execution and any. Yeah, I think with these hooks you can really do crazy stuff. It's like warning over warning. So good that I have no idea what this will do. Let's see. Save the hook. Project settings, local, check user settings. I think I just want it locally because I have kind of no idea what it's doing. So we just save it. Pre-tool use matchup bash. Okay, so here it is. And yes, what I do now? I think I just go back now. So verify your hook, run hooks again. Settings JSON to see your configuration. Okay, so apparently it's supposed to be somewhere here. Claude. Where should I check? Settings. Claude. Okay, this is local settings. And this now has... Oh yeah, this has my hook. Okay, nice. So this part was working. Just make this big again so you can see something. Okay. So what we do now? To test your hook. That's what we want to do. Ask Claude to run a simple command like ls and check your log files. You should see entries like, yeah, of course. Okay, so I would just say, okay, so here what they wanted us to do is enter escape to go back. So if I run now hooks, it should be there. Yeah, okay, I have one hook here. It seems. Oh, this is like my previous, no, this is my previous message. Select, no, but I don't want, I just want to hooks. Okay, I have, because we have so many different hooks, I think in this category, okay, now I see it here, okay. And then I can add a new hook. Okay, this hook topic is quite complicated, it seems. I'm good that we are only doing a very simple tutorial right now. And no magic. So, let's see. Okay, what do we want to do now? Okay, we want to test. Okay. Run ls to check the files in the directory. I think this is what they meant. Let's just do it. So it is doing the oh, okay. And now what? Now what? Did it run now a hook? I mean, okay, we changed. Huh? Okay, so so this is, so where is my hook? This is my hook now? Huh. Okay, maybe I do it a little bit different. Or maybe because I did not install this JQ. Okay, could be. I will just ask it to run this and maybe we run into any issues. And then maybe that's the problem. Because, yeah, they told me to install JQ. I did not do it. First, run this. Check if JQ is installed. I mean, why they could not use a simpler example? So, okay, so it is installed. Okay. So, test your hook. Ask Claude to run a simple command like S and check your log file. Ah, okay. Okay, so the question, okay. I think I have a log file now. Claude. I do have a log file here now. I don't. Let's do this. Let's do this. Can I close that? And then it's, no, I cannot. Whatever. So I run this now. So it is logging things there. Seems so. I mean, this was not the best example. Okay, we want to try something else, I think. What I wanted, that every time I do a change, it should run a type check. So package JSON. We have this package JSON file. And here, what I wanted to do is actually, we have this type check. So every time we do a change, or like Claude does a code change, I want that we run this type check thing. Okay, so let's try that. So we go again to hooks. So pre-to use, no, post-to use, notifications, user prompt, when the user submits a prompt. Session start, when a new session is started. Post after to execution. When notifications are sent. I would just want a simple hook that always gets triggered when I do some changes. Okay, actually, I think we do use, yeah, let's try post to a use. Yeah, let's try this one. After tool execution. Yeah, I guess if Claude is changing a file, that's a cool tool use, right? Any change to hook outside of hooks require restart. Okay, this feature is definitely confusing. We will just try this one now. I don't know if it's now working. So, and actually I even don't know if I see that it's happening. Let's take a look at this command again. I have an idea what I want to do. So maybe we just do, so we have here, you can run a command, right? So what I want to do now is we just create a very simple script that manipulates a file, right? So we ask Claude, we have like, we create, okay, let me do that. Okay, I know, I have a plan. Okay, create me a script in the script folder that stores the recent time in a human readable format in the folder quick tests files. Okay. Stop. After you created the script, run it. Okay, let's see, because then we create a hook, a post call hook. With this hook, we're gonna call we run this tool, and then it should show us the time, basically. So let's just try it. So we created now this folder, and now we create this quick tests, which is hopefully, I mean, this is Claude Code, so it's supposed to work. Do you want to make edits to... Okay. Yeah, just do it. So we have scripts, and where's this folder now actually, which was created? It did not create it here. Oh. No. Actually, I want the... No, I want that the script writes the recent time in human readable format in the file. Files, scripts, new folder, file, data, and then I just create new file, recent time, txt. Yeah, make it txt file, copy relative path. I want the script write the recent time in human readable form in the file in this file. So yeah, I created somewhere a folder, which was unfortunate, but okay. Now it's changing that. So we have here the time. So let's run it actually. Let's see if it works. So it's a .sh script, okay. Here we have the recent time. That's working. Nice. Okay. So what we want to do now is basically to run this. So the time here now is, okay, I'm sorry that this video got a little bit longer. So the time is 10:50, right? So let's do this. 10:50 is the time. We remember that? You remember that, right? So now we just create a new hook. Okay, I don't remember these things, so let me see the syntax of command. Okay. So it's just like running this command. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, then I can just copy paste it, I think. So we have it here already. Yes, we do. So I just do hooks, then post tool, after tool. Okay. 2 matchers. Whatever. Yeah, it's a bash command. That for sure. Okay, you have different options. Okay, yeah, it's a bash command. Let's do that. Add a new hook. Okay. Here comes the hook. Okay. Enter. Hook. Local. Hook created. Post to usage. Okay. So let's see if this updates now. So it is there. We just go back. Okay, I cannot do that. I have to press. So we just go back and we just say, okay, post to usage. Okay, let's just make a change now. In right now, the user can do 10 generations, change it to 15. Okay. Well, that's not very important for you, but whatever. Let's just see if it works. So 10, 50. So now it's doing stuff. From 10 to 15. I really hope it works. If not, this tutorial is a little bit... I'm not sure if it's supposed to call this all the time. Okay, nice. Yeah, this is done, and it did not call the tour. Huh. Yeah, sorry guys. I have to admit, this feature is a little bit confusing, at least for me. If you understand it better, feel free to comment it in the comments below. And maybe I just do a new video about it and see how it's actually working. Probably have to take a little bit more, do a little bit more research, watch some videos, do things like that. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.